Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise and hope you all would be doing great. December might be a chilly month, but that doesn't mean that we cannot keep our garden thriving. So today we are talking about the best vegetable seeds to sow in December. From leafy greens to root vegetables, this is the perfect time to plan and plant your winter garden. So let's get started. Before going further, a small request to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification about my new videos. Before starting, there is a small update. You can purchase most of these seeds from a single person, and that too just starting from rupees 10. I just share his WhatsApp number, so you can just message him and he will share the list of the seeds along with price and all. So let's start. First on our list is spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is incredibly easy to grow and packed with nutrients like iron and vitamins. The cool, mild weather of upcoming months make it the perfect time to sow spinach seed. Spinach loves cooler temperature and you can even harvest baby spinach leaves within just a few weeks of sowing. To grow spinach, sow the seeds directly into well-drained soil. Spinach needs regular watering but doesn't like it to sit in waterlogged soil, so ensure good drainage. Keep them in a spot with plenty of sunlight and in no time you'll have fresh tender spinach leaves ready to harvest. Next up we have lettuce. Whether you prefer crisp romaine, delicate butterhead or leafy lettuce, all varieties thrive in cooler weather. Coming months are ideal for planting lettuce because the mild temperature helps the leaves grow without becoming bitter. Lettuce seeds are small, so plant them just below the surface of the soil, lightly covering them with a thin layer. Water consistently to keep the soil moist but not overly wet. Within 4 to 6 weeks, you will have beautiful crispy lettuce leaves that are perfect for salads, sandwiches and wraps. Mustard greens are another leafy vegetables that thrive during these cooler months. Known for their peppery flavor, mustard greens add a zing to salads and stir fries. These greens are cold tolerant and love the cool weather. To grow mustard greens, sow the seeds directly into well prepared soil. Make sure to space the seeds at least a few inches apart to give them room to grow. Water regularly and in just a few weeks you'll start seeing lush green leaves sprouting up in your garden. Harvest them early for tender and flavorable greens. Now let's talk about carrots. Now is the perfect time to plant carrot seeds because the cooler temperatures helps the root develop a sweeter flavor. Carrot needs loose, well-drained soil, so make sure to prepare the soil well by removing any rocks or clumps that might obstruct the growth of the roots. Carrots are available in different colors like red, orange and black. Sow carrot seeds thinly in row and cover them with a light layer of soil, keeping the soil consistently moist until the seeds germinate. Carrots take about 2 to 3 months to mature, and when they are ready, you'll have a sweet and crunchy harvest that's perfect for snacking or cooking. Radishes are one of the fastest growing root vegetables, making them a great choice for coming months. Radishes mature in as little as 25 to 30 days, so you can enjoy fresh radishes in no time. They thrive in cool weather and are very easy to grow. Sow the seeds directly into well-drained soil, spacing them about an inch apart. Water consistently and soon you'll notice little radish forming just below the surfaces. Radishes add a peppery crunch to salads or can be roasted for sweet, mellow flavor. Next up is broccoli, one of the most nutritious vegetable you can grow during the cooler months. Coming months are best time to sow broccoli as it thrives in cool weather and takes several months to mature. Plant broccoli seeds in seed trays or directly into the garden, leaving enough space between plants for them to spread. Broccoli prefers full sunlight and it's important to water them consistently, but don't let the soil become waterlogged. In about 3 to 4 months, you'll have large green heads of broccolis ready to harvest. Beetroot is another root vegetable that thrive in cool weather. Beetroot is rich in nutrients and have a sweet, earthy flavor, making it a favorite for salads, roasting or juicing. Sow the seeds directly into well-drained soil and thin the seedlings as they grow to give them room to develop. Water regularly, and in about 2 to 3 months you'll have beautiful deep red beets ready to harvest. You can also harvest the young beet leaves for salads. Fenugreek or methi is another fast growing herb perfect for the cooler months. It's known for its slightly bitter taste and is widely used in Indian cuisine. Sow the seeds directly into the soil, spacing them evenly. Fenugreek loves full sun and grows best in well drained soil. Water regularly, and in about 3 to 4 weeks you can start harvesting tender methi leaves. Fenugreek is also rich in nutrients, making it a healthy addition to your garden. Cabbage is a cool season crop that thrives in the cooler months, making coming months the perfect time to plant it. Cabbage comes in many varieties and is packed with nutrients like vitamin C and fibers. Start by sowing the seeds in seed trays and transplant them once the seedlings are about 4 to 6 weeks old. Cabbage needs full sun and regular watering to develop firm heads. In about 3 to 4 months, you will have fresh, crunchy cabbage ready to harvest. Peas love cool weather, making them a perfect choice for planting now. Whether you are growing garden peas, snow peas, or sugar snap peas, all varieties will thrive in these cooler months. Sow the seeds directly into the soil, spacing them a few inches apart, providing a trellis or support for the pea vines to climb on. Water regularly, and in about 60 to 70 days, you'll have a delicious harvest of fresh peas to enjoy. Peas add a sweet, fresh flavor to any dish. And there you have it. These are the best vegetable seeds to sow in December. Whether you are planting leafy greens, root vegetables, or herbs, winter gardening can be incredibly rewarding. Start sowing seeds now and you'll have a bountiful harvest to enjoy in the months to come. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow gardeners, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.